What if Britain never let go of the wheel? What if Aston Martin ruled Le Mans, Jaguar built to the future, and Rolls-Royce was still untouchable? Because once upon a time, Britain ruled the roads. We built the most beautiful cars on earth. We raced them, we won with them, and then, almost overnight, we lost it all. The British car industry was once the envy of the world, rolling iron and royalty out of Crewe, Coventry, and Hethel. But today, most of those names are foreign-owned, underfunded, or forgotten. I'm Silva Fox. This is the story of how we ruled, why we fell, and whether we'll ever take the wheel again. Let's wind the clock back. Bentley, conquering Le Mans in the 1920s. Jaguar, engineering dominance in the 50s. Aston Martin, putting Bond in a DB5. Rolls-Royce, powering kings and planes. The Mini, it wasn't just small, it was a revolution. Lotus, simplify then add lightness. A philosophy turned into speed. By the 1960s, Britain had more car brands than Germany, Italy and Japan combined. Our cars had character, our races had grit, and our roads, they echoed with the sound of victory. And then we dropped the ball. Strikes, bad management, worse decisions. British Leyland, a Frankenstein built to fail. TVR, gone. MG, sold. Rover, let's not talk about it. Meanwhile, Germany built precision. Japan built reliability. We built excuses. We had the talent, we had the brands, but we blew the lead. This wasn't just decline, it was self-sabotage. Let's face it, Bentley, owned by Volkswagen, Rolls-Royce, BMW, Jaguar and Land Rover, India's Tata, Lotus, Geely from China. Even MG, once pure British spirit, now rolls out of Shanghai. But here's the twist. These brands, they survived, they evolved. Sometimes it took foreign money to save British magic, because every time that engine fires up, there's still a heartbeat of Britain in there. So is it over? Not even close. McLaren still pushing boundaries, Aston Martin back in Formula One, Goodwood more iconic than ever, and British EV startups like Lunaz and Ariel. They're carving the future with British fingerprints. The names are still here, the passion louder than ever, the fans unstoppable. We may not own the car world anymore, but maybe, just maybe, we're still its soul. The British car industry once ruled the world, and pieces of that glory, they're still burning, right under the bonnet. But here's the question, can we bring it back? Drop your thoughts in the comments, smash that like button if you love British cars, and hit subscribe if you're ready to drive into the next chapter, because the road ahead might just begin with a very British comeback. I'm Silva Fox. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you for the next road trip.